Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We were studying our chapter number 2, which is basic financial statement. We have completed accounting equation. Now today we are going to study income statement. So let's start. Income statement is a summarization of the company revenue and expenses transaction for a particular period of time. The income statement is particularly important for the company owners, creditors and the other interesting parties to understand. Ultimately, the company will succeed or fail based on its ability to earn revenue in excess of these expenses. It is very simple concept. When you are earning, your income is less and your expenditure is more. That means you will face a loss situation, either company or any household. So once the company assets are acquired and business commences, revenue and expense are important dimensions for the company operations. Revenue are increase in the company assets, but its profit directed activities and they result in positive cash flow. On the other hand, expenses show a negative cash flow in the business. Expenses are decreased in the company assets from its profit directive activities and they result in negative cash flow. In income, net income is the difference between the revenue and the expenses for a particular period of time. Should a company find itself in the undesirable situation of having expense greater than the revenue, we call the difference as a net loss. So when we have a condition where the net income is greater than the expenses, this is the profit situation for the company. And when the expenses is greater than the income, we consider as this is the loss situation of the company. In chapter 1, we establish the importance of cash flow of investors and creditors, and that the cash flow of the company are important consideration in investors and creditor assessment for cash flow of them. As a result, a second set of information that is particularly important concerning how a company financial position change and between 2 points in time is cash flow information. We can use the entire cash column of the analysis we shows in 2.1 table to create a statement of cash flow for overnight automobiles. The statement classifies the various cash flow into 3 categories: operating activities, investing activity and financing activity, and it relates these categories to the beginning and the end of the cash balance. Cash flow from operating activity are the cash effect of revenue and expense transaction that are included in the income statement. Cash flow from investing activity are the cash effect of purchasing and selling the assets such as land, building, and cash flow from the financing activity are the cash effect of owner investing company and credit loan by the company and repayment of the loan as well. Here is the example of overnight statement of cash flow where you can see operating activity, investing activity and financing activity. We will try to understand this statement. What you understand here, operating activities includes the cash effect of revenue and expense transactions. As you can see, cash received from the revenue transaction, cash paid to the expense. So this is received and this is paid. One is inflow, one is outflow. So whatever is the outflow you will minus, whatever is the inflow you will add. Here is the total of operating activity. Investing activity include cash effect on purchasing of selling assets. Here you can understand purchase of land. So this is the outflow of cash, it will be minus. Purchase of building, this is again outflow of the cash, it should be minus. Purchase of tools, it should be minus because the cash flow is outflow. Sales of tools, now here the business sells some tools worth 600, so it should be added. The total of the investing activity is 64,200. Last is financial activity. Financial activities include the cash effect of transaction with owners and creditors. Like for example, sales of capital stocks. Selling of stocks, positive inflow of the cash, so you will add. Okay. Now increase in the cash of the period, so it will be increased. 80,000 is the amount you receive by sale of capital stock, and the other 64,200 from investing activity is from the it is negative, and here it's a positive operating activity. Increase in the cash period will be 16,200. Cash balance in January 2018 was, we have not received any information, and in the end of this year, January, in the end of this month, we receive 16,600. So this is the cash flow in all the activities. There must be a question arise in your mind. What are the relation between among these financial statements? See, all financial statements are interrelated. We can start with the balance sheet at the beginning of an accounting period, analyze the income and cash flow of the company, and arrive at the end of balance sheet. This is the balance sheet for overnight auto service at the end of the January. Net income impact the retained earning of the company. The statement of the cash flow not only provide the balance sheet in the account, but also detailed information about the acquisition and disposition of the asset liability as well, in the change of owner's equity and the capital. It is clear to see how the financial statement articulate with each other. We will finish our lecture here and will continue in the next class with the next topic. But before going to next class, we have to study this point. Now it is your turn and you are the creditor. Assume that you are financial analysis for a potential supplier to Overnight Auto Services. Overnight want to buy goods from you on credit. What factors might you consider in deciding whether you extend credit to Overnight or not? So think about it, make your assignment, come back to my class. We will continue our next lecture with another topic, what we call forms of business organization. So till then, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.